Jeff here again, and in this episode we're going to talk about how to get subscribers to your channel. The best way to do that is to actually get subscribers from other sources other than YouTube and get them to visit your channel and subscribe with that subscribe link I showed you how to make in episode 2 of season 1. Okay, so we're just going to pull up an empty text file here. That's mine. That's got my ID in it here. Yours is going to be different. Now what you want to do is you want to get people from off YouTube in other places to go to YouTube and subscribe. That's the best way to get subscribers, not to actually get people from your videos to subscribe. That helps. That's a big part of it, but it's not the main way. The best way to get a lot of subscribers is to actually invite people to join your channel and subscribe from other sources, and do it on autopilot. What I mean by that is to use your autoresponder. So if you have the vendor lock autoresponder, you can go to the bottom of your list edit page and it will show all your series messages for your follow-ups, and that's what you want to do. Is you want to use a follow-up email and put your subscriber link in there and invite them to watch a video like this one I have here. The subject line is ranked #1 on YouTube, valuable video. Okay, and when you go into the actual text for the email, here's the text version, you'll see that I have my subscriber link to my channel, not just a video link. So this is how my emails automatically on autopilot every day invite people to come subscribe to my channel. Okay, and here's the HTML version of that email, and the click here is my channel subscribe link that I showed you. Okay, so that's today's secret, and if you want to get the vendor lock autoresponder, I have provided the link below this video. You can click the link to get the autoresponder package with unlimited hosting, and of course you can also check out Warrior Money School. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.